Ever wonder why some breaks leave you feeling more drained than refreshed? Discover how the right kind of downtime can recharge your brain and boost your productivity, according to insights from McGonigal's The Willpower Instinct. McGonigal tells us the most effective stress relief strategies are exercising or playing sports, praying or attending a religious service, reading, listening to music, spending time with friends or family, getting a massage, going outside for a walk, meditating or doing yoga, and spending time with a creative hobby. These activities all energize us, giving us that deep recovery we need after going deep in our work. The more appealing breaks we can be tempted by, however, can enervate us instead of energize us. As McGonigal goes on to say, the least effective strategies are gambling, shopping, smoking, drinking, eating, playing video games, surfing the internet, and watching TV or movies for more than 2 hours. And she explains that the main difference between the strategies that work and the strategies that don't work are, and I quote, that the real stress relievers boost mood-enhancing brain chemicals like serotonin and GABA, as well as the feel-good hormone oxytocin. They also help shut down the brain's stress response, reduce stress hormones in the body, and induce the healing relaxation response. Because they aren't exciting like the dopamine releasers, we tend to underestimate how good they'll make us feel. And so we forget about these strategies, not because they don't work, but because when we're stressed, our brains consistently mispredict what will make us happy. This means that we'll often talk ourselves out of doing the very thing that will actually make us feel better. Think about your go-to break when your energy levels are depleting. If you're like me, you might default to jacking your brain up on your cell phone. Today, let's choose to swap out the dopamine for oxytocin. Our brains will thank us for it. And remember, you got this.